collection of data for empirical statistics such as mean and standard deviation. There are two main statistical data analysis and descriptive statistics. It summarizes the data using by the empirical statistical, and their descriptive statistics are two properties of distributions, sample and population. Thank you.
Statistics. The term statistics is derived and is derived from the Latin. It is called as a statistic. It is only used for the collection of data or the information about the population of state unit. The statistics is the branch of mathematics which is used and mainly focused on the collecting and analyzing, organizing and interpreting and presenting the data. Basically, the statistics is a display that deals with data, facts and figures, which gives the meaningful information to which is inferred. This it is a
Observations, harmonic mean and geometric mean. Harmonic mean is reciprocal to the arithmetic mean. Measures of dispersion. Dispersion means variation, which shows the variation. It is also known as measures of variation. In measures of variation, dispersion we have range, variance, standard deviation, quartile deviation, mean deviation. Skewness and curvature. It describes the shape of the distribution. Skewness measures the asymmetrical distribution. In skewness we have positive skewness, negative skewness and symmetrical skewness. Positive skewness Catalysis we have electrocutting curve, mesocutting curve and plating cutting curve. Graphical representation, we can represent our data by using graphs, bar graphs, pie chart, histograms, curves.
and also it involves the using of mathematics and the contributions of the methods that makes a big sense of a numerical information. And there are two branches regarding of stats. They are descriptive stats and also inferential statistics. Where descriptive statistics is nothing but it focuses on the summarizing and presenting of the data, and where inferential statistics is nothing but it is a sample data that takes a conclusion regarding the large population.
Professional life. Professional life means a lecturer or a student or a job employee. Employees are working in a job. Employees are working in a business, and business incomes or a breakdowns can be explained can be shown in a graphs. Weather forecasting. Statistics can predict the whether it rains or today or future weather forecasting. And public policy, government by using government statistics can be public policy can be solved. Problems of public policy can be solved, and even in insurance, by taking an insurance, all the statistic calculations can be done for future persons who are taking an insurance. And financial forecasting. Financial forecasting is connected to the money, and money can be calculated for future use by using a statistics.
Scientifically collected. It is called collection. And classification. As we know that classification is dividing the given data into some parts in an understandable way. It is called classification. But as per the statistics, we know that classification means arranging the data in an understandable way is called classification. And the next one is condensation. Condensation means the given data is summarized and precisely without losing the information to do further statistical analysis. It's called condensation. And comparison. As we know that comparison means what? Comparing the two things is called comparison. But as for statistics, correlation. Correlation means in the name itself we have relation. So relation means what? Having some relationship is called relation. So in statistics, correlation means it helps us to identify the relationship among the variables. It's called correlation. And chance. Chance is also a function of statistics and helps us to identify or help.
And in education, now I am telling you how we use statistics in education. In education, statistics can be used for comparing expenditures on education for development of genders and it is used to analyze with the assistance of statistics. Teachers can calculate each student performance individually, and by using statistics, teachers can calculate the average marks